Okay, this is continued. And let's see, G is too easy because it gives us A1, and A5 is 27, and R is 3, that's too easy. Okay, this one, they give us A1, they give us, oh wait a minute, we have to figure out A1. Ha ha ha. Okay, let's do one of G and H because G and H are kind of the same. Let's do G. G. They say find A1 if A5 equals 27 and R equals 3. Well, let's see. Let's grab our handy-dandy formula. This one, A of n equals A1 times R to the n minus 1. A5 equals A1 times 3 to the 4th power, because that's n minus 1. So 27 equals A1 times 3 to the 4th power, which is 81. I just know that. So divide both sides by 81, you get 27 over 81, which equals 1 over 3, which equals A1. That was too easy. Once again, you just have to figure out what's the missing variable. Let's see if we can find something challenging. Let's look at these two here. Find R if A10 equals 25 and A12 equals 225. Too easy. Find R if A25 equals 12 and A31 equals 96. There's a challenge. Let's do that one. So we're going to find R if A25 equals 12 and A31 equals 96. Well, once again, not playing that game. A25 we're going to call A1. And if A25 becomes A1, I've subtracted 24 to make it so. Right? 25 down to 1 is minus 24. So A31 should also subtract 24. And the answer there is A7. So let's call these A1 and A7. Or if you want, we could use a different variable to distinguish it, but it doesn't matter. This is the sub-sequence that's only 8 characters. Okay? So A n equals A1 times R to the n minus 1. So A7, because I like little numbers, not big numbers, equals A1 times R to the 6th. Right? N minus 1. So that was 7, now it's 6. So A7, this is our new A7, 96. 96 equals the new A1, which is 12, times R to the 6th power. So if we divide both sides by 12, that's 8 equals R to the 6th power. And this happens to be 2 to the 3rd equals R to the 6th. So if we cube root them both, we should get 2 equals R, let's see, squared. So R equals root 2. That's what we're looking for, right? R. So it's just the missing variable, and in this case we subsetted it and used some simple numbers, but you got to keep track in your mind, and when you display your answer, you got to make sure you use the correct subscript from the original equation. Well, in this case, it doesn't matter because you're using R, but if they were asking you to find A25, for instance, and you did this transfer to a subsequence, then you want to make sure you still express it in the original term. And should we do one of the last ones? Yeah, we got time on this video. Let's do L, because maybe L will be my downfall. Maybe I don't know how to do L. But this is what it says. It says find A6 if AN equals 0.1 A to the of n minus 1 and A1 equals 1,000. That is freaking the hell out of me. Okay, so it's got to be this formula because that's the only thing they're giving us. So let's just write that down there. AN equals A1 to the R to the n minus 1. So, this is handy. That's very handy. That's interesting. I have to find A6. Let's see if I can plug it in here. A6 equals 1000 times R to the 5th. But I don't know what R is. So far, so bad. Let's see if I can figure out what, if I wanted to find out what A5 was, it would be a multiple of A4. So if I want to find out what A2 was, it would be a multiple of A1, which I know. So A2, using this formula, should equal 0.1 times 1000, which equals 100. So now I'm going to start, I'm onto something. A3 then should equal 0.1 times 100, which equals 10. So that should equal 10. And I can see the sequence here already. I'm dividing by 10 each time. And so on and so on and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0.016. There, I didn't even need to calculate it. The heck with all this kind of stuff. I figured out, just by looking at the pattern here, that R was 1 over 10, or 0.1. Anyways, that's your answer.